In this video, I'll walk you through about creating user stories in Jira. So I logged in to my instance of Jira, and here I have the projects which I've defined. So let us go to PM Distilled Guide. So when I click on it, it shows me when I go to backlog, it shows me all the epics we created because I created the epic number one was the introduction to my PM Distill book. And then another epic was the predictive project management. Then another epic is agile project management. And another epic is hybrid project management. And another epic for writing my book, PM Distill Guide, is the common tools and techniques. Why we called it as epic? Because we did not have enough details to estimate them or to develop them. Now I created user stories. Now when I click on Introduction to PM Distill Guide, there are no stories below that epic. But when I click on Predictive Project Management, I created this many epics. Like project initiation, that is a user story under predictive project management. And project planning is another user story under predictive project management. Monitoring and controlling, another user story under predictive project management epic. And project closing, I defined as another user story under predictive project management epic. Now let us see the details of the user story project initiation. So I click on it. So it will show the details of it on the right side. So every user story will have an header. So here we are calling it, our user story name is project initiation. And here we have a section to enter the details. So we can enter, this is a text box. So we can enter further details about the user story. I can add more to it. As a user, I should be able to log into the system. As a user, I should be able to log out of the system. As a user, I should be able to make a payment through the system. So these kind of that descriptions will come here along with the acceptance criteria. Then it is assigned to me, and you can create labels for better grouping. This is not linked to any particular sprint yet because we just created it. And here there is another column for entering the story point, which is a kind of an estimation for the user story based on the amount of work involved. And it is given as per the Fibonacci series like 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, or we can decide to give it as a running serial number. So it is the team's decision. So I prefer to give it on the Fibonacci series because it makes it easier for me to differentiate it or segregate. We can add comments against user story as well. Now, likewise, I created some user story for Agile Project Management Epic as well. So they are listed here. Some of them are assigned, some of them are not yet assigned. So we are working on the product backlog of the PM Distill Guide. Some of the backlogs are still in epic level. Some we have created stories, and some of the stories we have estimated. Some of the stories we have given descriptions. For many, we are yet to give descriptions. So product backlog is allowed to grow indefinitely. And the moment we have some confidence on the product backlog saying that we have captured the key features required to build the minimum viable product, that is a time when we can start planning for the sprint and start sprinting. So my idea is I want to do this planning work for the PM Distill Guide till the end of this month. And from the beginning of next month onwards, every day, I want to work on it. I want to start the sprint and start developing it consistently. Since I'm sharing it with you, this creates a kind of pressure on me to make progress on this, and that is what I'm looking towards. So coming back to today's video, the intent of today's video was to see how to create user stories using Jira. For that, we selected I have multiple projects here. I logged into Jira. I picked up my project, that is the PM Distill Guide. There are other projects as well. So if I pick up another project, it'll go after that project. But now I picked up PM Distill Guide here. I went to backlogs. Then it gave me the epics as well as the associated user stories we created. So I hope you got a grip on how to create epics and user stories using Jira. Thank you very much.